Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to see your posts on TikTok using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to make sure that your TikTok app is at the latest version, okay? So to do that, just go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store. Then just go ahead and search for TikTok. So now if you see the update button instead of the open button, so just go ahead and click on that update button and then just wait, okay? So for example, you're done updating your TikTok app. So now here I'm just gonna show you how to repost a TikTok video, okay? So just go ahead and click on the share button at the lower right side of your screen, and now you can see the repost button, okay? So just go ahead and click on that. So click on repost. So for example, you want to see your repost videos, right? So what I want you to do is to go to your profile by clicking your profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. Okay, so here as you can see, there's these options, right? Your home screen or your videos, your private videos, your saved videos, your liked videos, and here you can see your repost videos. So here in this section, you should see all of your repost videos, okay? So if you don't have this feature yet, so just go ahead and update your TikTok app, or just go ahead and delete your app and install it again, or this feature is not yet available on your country, okay? So that's it. That is how you see your posts on TikTok. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.